students. In today video we'll talk about some basics of Revit architecture. So this is Autodesk Revit 2017 as you can see. So here when you open your Revit architecture 2017, so this interface will open to you. It will be on the front screen. So how will we use it? This is the open. When you click on the open, so if you have Revit files other than you, if you have worked earlier and you have saved files, you can open it. This is the new, and if you want to make a new one, so you can click on this new. Other templates we have, this one is construction template. This is used for different purposes. The second one is architectural template. This is used for architecture works. This one is structural template. If you open this template, so civil engineers knows that there are different types of structural members such as beams, columns, footings, slabs, etc., and the reinforcement details. So this template is well good for them. This is mechanical template, HVAC systems, etc. Mechanical engineers use this template. So we'll talk about this architectural template, which is the basics of this Revit architecture. So let's get started. I am clicking on this Revit architectural template. So it will take a little bit time and open it. So let's wait for a little. When you click on this Revit architectural template, an interface like this will open to you. This is these panels. This one is architecture. In architecture tab there is walls, windows, doors, components, other components. If you want, if you click on this drag down, so this is placing component. If you want to place some components like chairs, doors, windows, chairs, furnitures, or trees, etc., the other families which you have, so you should use this one. And model in place, if you want to work with the architectural drawings, if you want to make some designs in walls and other things in columns, etc., so you can use this one. This one is for columns, and these are the different components which we will learn step by step little bit. This one is structure. If you click on the structure, so structural things will open to you, just like beams, walls. These walls, which walls are these? Structural walls, architectural walls, and the other components which it has: columns, floors, truss, brace, beam elements, connections, isolated wall, isolated footings. These are for footings. You can check it out. Foundation. So this is isolated, this is wall footing, this is slab type. It means that it has mat foundation, etc., like that. These are rebars, area, path, etc. So these all are the structural elements. If you click on the system, so HVAC system things will open to you, just like duct pipes, air terminals, flex duct pipes, etc., parallel pipes, plumbing fixtures, sprinklers, wires, etc. The things which are with plumbing system and electrical system, these are electrical components. You can check it out here, electrical. So these are electrical components, starting from wire till the lightning fixtures. These are plumbing fixtures. These are mechanical, and these are HVAC systems are duct place holders, flex duct, tire terminals, etc. These are fabrications. So this is in the systems tab. Here if you want to click on the insert, so different files you can insert or link with this Revit architecture, the which one, the recent one which you are working. So and here in the insert tab you can import different types of files, just like link Revit, link IFC, link CAD file. Here you can load different types of families. Here you can load different types of images. Here you can insert other files. Here you can import your CAD file, different kinds of files. If you click on this annotate, so annotate is linked with the dimensions type mostly. So the dimension tab is over here, the details, or the aligned dimension, the linear dimension, the angular dimension, which you all know from your AutoCAD basics. Aligned dimension is the dimension which is along the line. So if it is a horizontal or vertical line, so it has linear dimensions, and if it is not inclined, so it has aligned dimension. Angular dimensions, the radial, the diameter, the arc length, etc. These are the spot elevation, spot coordinates, spot slope, etc. So these are in the annotate tab. Let's check out for the analyze. So if you go to analyze section, so this is the analysis of your drawing or your estimates, etc. This is the boundary conditions. These are the different kinds of loadings. These are the load cases, the live load, dead load cases. If I click on this, so this is the dead load, live load, wind load, snow load. You can add other loads to this. This is seismic load, this is temperature load. These are the different types of loads. So if you want to add different loading conditions, load combinations, load cases, so you can check it out here and add it over there. Structural engineers knows it better. Adjust, reset, consistency. This is analytical model, this is analytics model tools, this is space in zone, these are reports and schedules. Here you can make schedules, here check system, color fill and energy analysis, etc. Now clicking on the massing inside tab, so these are the different types of toposphere you can make around your project. So if you click on this toposphere, so it will give you some options that click on the area. So you will click like this and you will choose the site plan, so it will show to you, and you will click on this finish surface, so a toposphere will make. So I am not now using this details, so these are the different. Here another system is the conceptual mass system, model in place mass. These systems are also used. Model by face, these are the different types of faces you can use: roof face, wall face, floor face, curtain system, etc. You can make in this massing inside tab. These are the parking components, these are the side components. If I click on this, so the different types of trees you can check it out, RC RPC trees. Or if I click drag down, so this is, you can check here, it will change French trees 18 feet its height, golden tree, and this is the honey locust tree, etc. So if I click over here, so a tree will be directly imported into my project. These are the different types of components you can use. Now click on the collaborate. So this is another interface which you can communicate and collaborate with other systems, etc. Now click on the view tab. So in view template you can use the different types of tools which are best for viewing your project. This is the user interface. If you have something hidden or like this just like navigation bar is unchecked, so you can check it out here. Project browser, this is the project browser here, and this one are the properties panel. If these things are not over here, so you can use this view tabs to have this user interface tab open, and you can check out your required specifications. Now if you want to have a 3D view, you click on the default 3D view. If you want to see your drawings with a camera, so you click on the camera and just use it like this. In the things which comes in front of the camera, they will be used as your it will be shown to you as a project. So these are the different types of tools, and you can also make a walkthrough. So this is how you can make your drawings. Now click on the manage tab. If you click on the manage tab, you can use the different types of materials. Basically here the materials you can use for different walls, for roof, for floors, etc. So this is in the manage tab, and add in, this is not it's directly linking into internet. And if you click on the modify, so modify tab is an extra tab which is used when you select any file. Let's say I am clicking on the wall, so modify will be according to the wall. If I click on the door, so modify will be like the view tab, and the modify tab, it will be regarding the door. So when you check on the which component, so it will be regarding that modify tab. So this was a little bit preview of the Revit architecture. And here in the project browser you have different types of elevations and planes. Let's say this one is floor plan, so if you click on level floor plan 1, so this will open. If you click on the level floor plan 2, so this will be level 2. This is the side plan, these are the ceiling planes. And if you want to see the elevation, so you will drag down a little bit, and here it is the east elevation, it is the north elevation. Let's say we have choose the east elevation, so if you click on any of the elevations, so these levels will open to you, and your drawing will be from east elevation side. It will be shown to you. These levels shows which thing. So this level 1 shows that it has 0 feet 0 inch height, and this level 2 shows that it has 10 feet height. So you can change also these levels, and you can make different types of grids over here. Like let's say I want to have this level floor plan 1, so the elevation levels will not be shown. If you want to make grids, here is the grid option. You can click on the grid, grid, and just you can make like lines like this, and these will make grids as you have seen in the drawings. Let's check this out. These are the grid number one, grid number two, so you can make grids like this. So this was a little bit introduction to this Revit architectural template, and in the next drawing we'll start a little bit with the drawings. So